How to kiss for your first kiss. Choose the right time. Pick a comfortable time and location for your first kiss, preferably when you're alone with the person. Create a comfortable atmosphere, smile, keep an open posture, and lightly touch them on the hand, arm, or thigh. Pay attention to their cues for flirting. Prepare your lips. Use lip balm for soft, kissable lips. Avoid sticky lip gloss and be mindful of breath freshness with mints or gum. Introduce touching gradually. Start with small touches on the arm or shoulder before progressing to their hair or face. Pay attention to their response. Establish eye contact. Look into their eyes, and if they reciprocate, it's a sign they may be interested in kissing. Seek consent. Asking for consent is romantic. Use phrases like, "Can I kiss you?" or "May I have this kiss?" to ensure both are comfortable. Close the distance. Lean in slowly or scoot closer, allowing them the opportunity to express interest or create distance. Mind the head tilt. Observe their head tilt direction and adjust yours to avoid nose collisions during the kiss. Close your eyes. Close your eyes as you approach their lips to prevent discomfort during the kiss. Keep lips soft. Maintain soft lips and avoid using tongue during your first kiss. Keep the kiss brief and pause for a moment afterward. Decide on hand placement. Place your hands behind their head or on their lower back during the kiss. Take a break. Don't prolong the kiss. Take a moment to breathe and assess the situation. Gauge their comfort level. Express enjoyment. Show your partner you enjoyed the kiss by smiling, holding hands, or expressing positive feelings. Consider another kiss. If both feel comfortable, lean in for another kiss. Check their interest and ask if they want another kiss. After the kiss, spend intimate time without kissing. Hold hands, snuggle, or enjoy an activity together. Communication. Talk about the kiss when you feel ready. Express your feelings, and check on your partner's thoughts and emotions. Follow up. Reach out to the person afterward, expressing interest in future interactions and sharing your feelings about the kiss. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell for our latest videos.